In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word. Section breaks are used to divide a document into parts so you can apply different formatting, such as headers, footers, or page orientation. However, sometimes they are no longer needed and can interfere with your document layout, so it's useful to know how to remove them. To begin, open the Word document that contains the section break you want to remove. Section breaks are not always visible, so the first step is to make them easier to see. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on the Show/Hide Paragraph button in the Paragraph group. This will display hidden formatting marks, including spaces, paragraph marks, and section breaks. Scroll through your document until you find the section break you want to delete. Section breaks will appear as a labeled line, such as Sections break, next page, Section break, continuous, or Section break, odd page. Place your cursor directly before the section break line, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the section break from your document. If your section break is at the end of a page, pressing Delete may also bring the following content up to the previous section, merging the formatting. Be aware that removing a section break can change the formatting of the text that follows it. For example, if the next section had a different header, footer, or page orientation, those settings may adjust to match the previous section. After deleting the section break, check your document carefully to ensure that all formatting still looks correct. You can repeat this process to remove any additional section breaks in your document. Using the Show/Hide Paragraph button is especially helpful when working with large or complex documents, as it makes it easy to locate and manage section breaks. And that's it. You now know how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word safely and effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.